Okay, so I introduce you the cross product. So a lot of things about cross product. A lot, so many of the property about cross product. So I try to go into the easiest way first. Okay, first of all, the cross product, unlike the dot. So cross product, for example, if I have B cross A, I'm going to have the vector C, which is perpendicular both of A and B. So in general, if I say B cross A, okay, I'm going to get C. Okay, B cross A. So if I take A cross B, okay, I'm going to have minus C. Okay, so this one we take care of that later. But in general, you should know that the cross product produce the vector. On the dot product that produce the scalar. Okay, the real number. So now, before I introduce you the full idea of the cross product in many directions, so the first of all, I want to define what is the determinant of all the two mean. So you have something like you have let's say A1, A2, and B1, B2. Okay, so that means equal A1, B2 minus A2, B1. So this means we call that determinant of order 2. Okay, so how about order 3? You're going to have like C1, C2, C3, and A1, A2, A3, and B1, B2, B3. So how to calculate the determinant of order 3? So first of all, here is what you try to remember. I start with C1 first, right? So C1, then I clean up these two rooms, and the first determinant is A2, A3, B2, B3. Then the next one should be minus. Don't ask me why now, okay? It takes like many hours, but let's play with this again a bit. Then we go to C2. So C2, then I erase this one and this one, okay? So whatever left here, C2 I cross the line, and I have A1, A3, and B1, B3. Okay, finally I get C3 plus C3. Then I clean up this one, C3 here, I clean up this one, I have this one, yes, so A1, A2, B1, and B2. Okay, so that's good. So this one here, then after that we can apply the order 2 to find the value. So in this case you have C1 time with C1 time with A2B3, go like this and go like this, minus A3B2, and minus C2, and you get this one C2, you have A1, A1, B3, this time this subtract B1, A3, and so on and so forth. Okay, that is how to find the determinant of order 3. Now the next one is I tell you why we need this one. Okay, so this one, likely when you cross two of them together, you will get the vector which is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. So this procedure give you the vector which is perpendicular to both of vector A and vector B. Okay. Okay, now I remind you that because we have two vectors, right? That is, two vectors make it a plane, and you cross them, you get the third vector, it is perpendicular to both of them. So therefore, only work when we have in the 3 dimension. So 2 dimension doesn't have cross product. So let's say how to find A cross B. Okay, how to find the cross product and cross B. So instead of C, so we do within the base vector, okay, I, J, and K. Okay, I, J, K. So we cross A, vector A equal A1, A2, A3, and have vector B, B1, B2, B3. Okay, then we cross using the determinant of all the three. So again, I have I first, right? And if I clean up this row here and have A2, A3, B2, B3. Okay, then minus J. I clean up this one and this one, then I got A1, J here, A1, A1, B1, and A3, oh I'm sorry, A1, B1, and A3, B3. Finally, I got plus K, okay. Remember IJK is the base vector like this. This one one unit here to the X direction, one unit here for the Y direction, which is I here, J here, and one unit we call the base vector, okay, base vector from the 0. So K, now I clean up this row, and this row I have A1, A2, B1, B1, and B2. So now what is this equal? So equal A2 times B3, A2 times B3 minus A3 times B2, A3 times B2 based on the definition of terminal. So time with I. So this one is H exponent. So for this one here is the perpendicular vector to both of them. That is vector C. I'm talking about the other time. Minus, so A1 times B3 minus A3 times B1. Finally, I got J. Remember this one a number, but this one still the vector X direction, Y direction. Finally, I add this time this A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. So okay, so this is the vector which is the result of the cross product between A and B. So if I have A cross B equal this vector here, okay, this one J plus J, I minus J plus K. So that is the result. Okay, so let's see if I have two vector like this, right? Two vector look like this, right? So I have 1, 3, and 4. 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So then this one X equal 1, Y equal 3, Z equal 4. So the vector go up here. 1, 3, and 4. Okay, then B equal 2, 7, and -5. B equal 2, well, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and -5 going down below this one Y, this one H, this one is Z. So this one going down here. So the vector going below if this one here is the ground, this one above the surface of the earth, and this one like going down to hell, okay? So yeah, okay, so -5. So now if you cross A to B like this, this one creates a plane, right? Two vector create plane. If you cross A and B, mean you have the perpendicular to that plane, okay, created by two original vector. So okay, now let me raise it a little bit. Okay, so A equal 1, 3, 4. I put 1, 3, and 4. Okay, B equal 2, 7, and -5. -5. Okay, let's say. So now, first of all, I cross them. Two vectors cross each other. So I erase I, right? I erase this. I have 3 here, and I have 7 here. I get -5 here, and I get 4 here. Okay. Next one, I eliminate this right here. I have 1, 2, 4, -5. I have 1, 2, 4, -5. Finally, I have K. I get rid of this row here, this row here. I have 1, 3, 2, 7. I get 1, 3, 2, 7. Okay, cool. So this one 3 times -5, right? 3 times 5 equals -15. -15, you minus 7 times 4 equals 28. 28, right? So it gives you minus 28. Wow. So this -15 minus 28 I. So then I have 1 times minus 5 equal minus 5. Then you minus 4 times 2 equal 8. So then you have J right here. So then finally you have 7 here. 1 times 7 minus 2 times 6 here. So this one K. So finally I add them together, right? Minus 43I. Okay. Then I have minus 13J and plus K. So this is the vector. This one original A here and B here. The vector perpendicular in this way. That one perpendicular. We call it vector C. And we're going to have another time. I show you another formula to go super fast to get this one. Okay, very fast. Okay. So let's do this way from now. Okay.